I'll put it here. Looks perfect. This one's crooked. Let me fix that. Now, that's better. Wait a second. I want to use this painting too. Where shall I hang it? One more. Can't leave this one out. Wow. Love it. Hey, Sue. Do you think I've overdone with the decor?
Well, honestly, it's quite a lot for one room.
I know, but I got so bored of the same old stuff over and over again.
Then it's high time for something totally new.
Wait, are you serious? That's exactly what I need.
How about cute animal decor?
It's a great idea. I simply adore cute animals. I could stare at them all day long.
Well, Sammy, are you ready?
Shiver me, Cheddars. Of course I'm ready. Just remind me, what am I ready for?
I thought your room would look cute if we used stickers.
Are these pandas?
Yes. By the way, this process is very relaxing.
That's just what I need now, to relax.
So, I guess you are gonna help me?
I've already started. I brought this for you.
Thank you, Sammy. This is exactly what I need. Now, we can get started. This will be a little cafe for pandas.
I like the look of it, especially all the bamboo.
Happy to hear that, because we will add some more.
Did you know? Bamboo grows very fast. Some kinds of it can grow up to 90 centimeters a day.
Whoa! It might be why pandas love it. You do know these cuties eat lots of bamboo, right? Look, here's a cafe owner. All right, our panda onsen looks cute already. But let's add 1, 2, 3 pandas.
The more pandas, the better.
Sammy, I really need your help.
I'm always ready to help, Sue. Take your pick.
Now we're talking. Thanks, Sammy.
These stickers are so cool. Do you have more? I want to stick them all over the place.
No worries. We've got enough. And we're done with pandas.
Awesome! Put it right over there, Sue.
You got it.
Now I want something even sweeter.
I've got just the thing.
Wow, it looks like a cake.
Yeah, I totally agree. This time we'll have cute little bunnies. Let's set up a perfect cafe for them.
What do you say, Mr. Rabbit? Would a place like that be nice for you and your friends?
Yay!
Yay!
Wow, I think he loved it.
I'm sure lots of bunnies will visit this cafe.
Oh yes, look at this one, guys. Plus 28 points for cuteness, right?
28 is how many teeth bunnies have.
Exactly. And we're moving on to the next floor. Even though bunnies like jumping, they could use the stairs.
Also, bunnies like eating greenery. Gross!
Don't worry, they can eat it here.
But there isn't enough greenery in this cafe, Sue. We need 3. No, 4 times more greenery.
All right, you got it. More greenery it is.
I wanted to keep this cake, but it's too small for me.
Yeah, it'll look much better on this table.
Are you sure you did put it there? It's hard to see it even through a magnifying glass. Oh, wait a second. What else can I find with its help?
A whole new world, I'm sure.
Wow, look at all these tiny details.
While Sammy is busy, I'll keep going. Oh, this process is really mesmerizing. Sammy, are you still here?
Ah, Sue, I'm still here, but I have changed. Time's flying, you know.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Grandpa Slime. I lost myself in the process.
No worries, Sue, I'm just kidding.
That's a relief. Now, what do you say?
Holy cannoli, Susie, I'm totally loving it. Great job.
But that's not all. Watch attentively. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribidi. Isn't it amazing?
Awesome! Come on, put it right over there! Woohoo! I'm gonna have the best room ever! I've got an idea for the next decoration! A cute bathhouse for capybaras!
No problem, Sammy. Your wish is my command.
How about you take these capybaras?
Could you carry them for a bit longer? Furniture goes first.
But Sue, I look like someone with capybaritis! Ugh, whatever. By the way, capybaras are the largest rodents in the world.
Really? Then I hope this room will be enough for them.
Yay! No more capybaritis.
Congrats on your recovery.
Wow, looks really cute. Let me stick these little thingies. Uh-oh. Sue, did I ruin it?
Let's see. Wow, it actually looks really great. Here's another piece of decor for you.
Yay! My collection is growing. Stay tuned, guys. More stickers are coming, and like this video, too. Sue, I wanted to help, so what do you think about that?
Wow, looks great. But what about these empty shelves?
Holy cannoli! Someone must have taken all the toys away.
Are you going to find the thief?
Absolutely. Detective Sam has a couple of suspects.
Just don't be too strict, okay?
I hope all of you understand why we're all here. It's an urgent matter, and you must cooperate. Do you hear me?
Oh, I hope we are going to drink tea.
I don't think so.
I don't know what's going on, but I have nothing to do with it. I promise.
We'll see. Today, several stickers tragically disappeared, and I, Detective Sam, will find the thief.
I bet it was Penguin. Looks like his style.
What can you say to prove your innocence?
What? That's slander. I'd never do anything like that.
Looks like he's telling the truth. But then, who could have stolen? Oh, hold on a second. Well, of course. It's a rabbit cafe. There has to be a connection to the rabbits in this case. Huh? Hey, is it just me or someone's missing? You, stop right there.
You can't prove anything.
Stop! I'll find proof.
Sammy, what's with all the fuss?
All the evidence leads to you. You have to confess, come on.
What's going on?
Let Mr. Rabbit explain it to you himself.
Okay, I just wanted to have some toys of my own. I'm so sorry.
Thanks for bringing them back, and never do it again.
Phew! Now I can get back to work.
Oh, poor toys. You must have been so scared. But you're safe now?
Ugh, I need those stickers. I gotta make up a new plan.
If I was a sticker, I'd want to live in such a house for sure.
Oh, I'm sure you'd be a very cute sticker, Sammy.
But for now, you can take care of my sticker bros.
Hey, how did they catch you?
Dunno, I was super careful. We need a new plan.
Yeah, come on.
One more sticker room decor is ready. It'll look perfect over here.
Great! Could we make something purple now?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Something gloomy and mysterious, like this.
Wow, cool. But we need more details.
I can help you with that. Here you go.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Rabbit. We've got everything we need. I bet you look forward to seeing the results, Sammy.
Duh! That's why I think we can speed things up.
I totally agree.
Faster, Sue! Much, much faster! And let's add a touch of creepiness.
I like the way you're thinking. And the final touch? Amazing! But we still have a lot to do.
Don't worry, Susie. I'm almost finished with this decor piece.
Yeah, about that. A few stickers are missing again.
Huh? What? Ah! You're right. Where are my rabbits? They are all gone.
This time I'm not gonna get caught.
Hold on a second, Mr. Rabbit.
Huh? But how? Ugh,
You can't fool us twice, buddy.
you won't stop me. They are perfect for decorating my home. I need them.
Huh? So that's all? You just need some decor? Well, we can help you.
Totally. But first, we need to finish here.
Do you mean it? Thank you, guys. I'll be waiting for you in my burrow.
Who could have thought he just needed decor?
I've finished another piece. And we've got one more.
Great. And I'm busy with the design project for Mr. Rabbit's burrow.
Aw, I'm sure it'll be super cool, Sammy.
There are never too many pandas.
How about adding a couple of cute penguins, too?
Great idea.
And done! Everything is ready!
Don't you think he overdid it?
Yeah, well, maybe just a tad.
That's it! I finished the last piece. Now it's definitely enough.
Wow. It looks great, Sammy. Why don't we put it right here?
Shiver me, Cheddars! Would you just look at my room now? It's awesome! I'm gonna spend every free moment here. I really want you to look at it closer, friends. Oh no, I forgot to tell you a cool cat fact. Cats sleep through 2/3 of their lives. Smart, right? It means I have something in common with cats.
Well, I'm glad you haven't overdone it today.
Huh? Overdone? Me? Never. You know I'm a very moderate slime. Friends, that's it for today. Like this video if you've learned new things about animals, subscribe, and see you soon.